Remove the front trunk trim panel. Sunshade transformer. Connect the sunshade transformer to the vehicle's 48-volt power supply. Connect the transformer's 48-volt red wire to the vehicle's 48-volt positive terminal. Connect the transformer's 48-volt black wire to the vehicle's 48-volt negative terminal. Connect the transformer's 48-volt yellow output wire to the sunshade's 12-volt red wire. Connect the transformer's 12-volt black output wire to the sunshade's 12-volt black wire. Bind the wire feeder together with the power cable. Feed it through from the right front fender. Route the power cable upward through the A-pillar, hiding it inside the door frame seal, and connect it to the sunshade motor. Use 2 clips to secure the front end of the sunshade frame. Lift and insert the sunshade motor into the headliner. Insert the mounting pieces into both sides of the headliner. Tighten the frame to the mounting pieces. A total of 6 mounting pieces are required. Install the sunshade. There are 3 ports on the trim panel. Plug the sunshade switch cable into the corresponding port on the trim. Join the trim panels on both sides to complete the installation.